All right, it's me and Arlo tonight looking over this job. So if you hear him screaming, that would be why. So this is one of the larger jobs that we've taken on here recently. The homeowner had us come in for an addition on the back left corner of their home. So we got some good drone footage, did some consulting, trying to figure out what would be best. And while we was adding on to the back, she went ahead and decided that she did not like her roof, and it was in a bit of rough condition, but we did not expect to make the changes that we did. She come to me and told me that she wanted to turn her I believe it was a 312 pitched roof that you see here into a 1212 pitched roof. And we figured out what we was going to do, and we got at it. It was a lot of work, several very large dumpsters, and we got busy tearing off all the old decking, adding in all the new framing materials. We went ahead and finished up framing the back side of the house. That way it would look like one pitch going up and down over the back side, just one gable, and ended up going quite well. So So, yes, I do get asked all the time, what is all the things you do? As you can see here, we've got some machinery. We do concrete as well. We do ground ups. So anything from a foundation to a actual roof structure. The framing, the siding, everything in between. And we do have special licensed contractors that do come in between us, such as the HVAC guys or the um, plumbers, and even electricians. So we do house our own equipment for the most part, our own trucks and trailers. That way we can get jobs like this that require so many different trades and different types of materials sometimes you do have to get them quickly and such. So we have our own dumpster so we can get trash and keep a job like this cleaned up. If you'll notice through this video, for the most part, the trash does stay off the ground and goes in trailers. We try to pride ourselves in keeping it as clean as possible. But let's talk about this roof. This roof, obviously, we chose an architectural shingle. We put pitch change in all the pitch changes. We put valley roll in all the valleys. We put our synthetic felt down. And we also went with a ridge vent. That's why you'll see us cut back the top of the roof a little bit so it ventilates through the soffit. And we used a hardy board vented soffit on the eaves and a solid soffit on the gable ends with all hardy board fascia. Around some of the house, you'll see we put a hardy board and batten on the upper walls and on the back.